Asheville, North Carolina, coming to you, Cat's Eye. Wah! Hey guys, it's Kat, and welcome to Cat's Eye, or welcome for the first time. I apologize for showing up in the shitter. I'm actually sitting on a toilet right now. I am in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm getting ready to teach ballet at the Hendersonville Ballet Company, and I decided to film a video while on the road, and let's get started. I'm 52 years old. I love makeup and skincare, and I decided to try out Dollar General's makeup. The line is called Believe, and believe me, they've got some beautiful makeup. I was kind of shocked, to be honest, and I picked up some eyeshadows, I picked up blush, I picked up mascara, and I also picked up their foundation. This foundation, a friend told me, they have been wearing it and they love it, and they said they prefer this over Fenty's new foundation. I was like, oh, let's just test this baby out. Now, by the time I got to Dollar General, it had been picked over really bad, and I was like, well, beggars can't be choosers, but I think this shade of foundation is called the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage, and the shade that I got was Nude. So hopefully Nude will match my skin tone. I've already primed and prepped my skin with No Pore Glum Primer. Feeling good. I've got my eyebrows on. I've got to get ready to teach class in an hour, so we're just gonna wing it. Here we are with the Believe foundation. It's actually for $5. It's actually not that bad. I'm really nervous how this is gonna perform, you guys. And always in hotel bathrooms, the lighting is really shitty. I apologize for that, but we're just gonna roll right on and we'll see how this foundation looks on my face. And oh boy, let's just go for it. All right, here we go with the consistency. I'm gonna do one pump. Can we see that? Try to get it to focus. Let's do 2 pumps. It says medium to full coverage. We'll see. If my face looks like crap, it looks like crap. So let's just swatch it. Oh my God, that actually might work as a shade. And go ahead and start applying it. And I'm gonna use my damp beauty sponge right here. Oh my gosh, wow. Are you kidding me? This is not bad. Wow, I would say yes, medium coverage. And go ahead on the left side of my face. Wow, this really looks nice. It feels pretty good. I'm not sure what type of finish this is supposed to be. And when I read on the back of the bottle, it says it was made in Germany. Made in Germany. Sprechen die Deutsch? Huh. That's about all the German I know. Or no, I know Ich liebe dich. If you know German, let me know what that means down in the comments. Cover this up. Don't want a cake face. We want to make sure we press the foundation into my complexion. We don't have excess. That's a little tip I learned from Wayne Goss, and as you can see, there's some excess foundation there. I'm going in with the Boing. Gosh, this is not gonna be fun. I can't see anything. So then I'm gonna go ahead with my ring finger and gently tap it in. It's playing really well with the foundation. Hey guys, it is Future Cat. Sorry, but I have to interject here. Catherine deleted one of her clips when she was in Asheville. So I'm here to tell you that I'm actually wearing the blush from Dollar General. I'm also wearing the eyeshadow and the mascara, and I'm happy to report it's amazing. So apologies for Catherine's ineptness. I mean, she is getting a little older. But yeah, but back to the video, she did apply the mascara and she finished it off, and then she dashed off to class, and we'll just hop right back into it. Okay. Say hi. But anyway, we're gonna get started with some rehearsals, and yay.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes, make sure you subscribe. Yay. I'm back. It is exactly 9:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's been about 6 hours since I first applied all the makeup that I got from the Dollar General store. I'm happy to report that the Believe foundation actually did a fantastic job. I mean, I know the lighting is super crappy here in the bathroom, but just I'm going to show you all the goodies that I got. It's funny when I travel. I know with today's modern conveniences, and since I travel in my car, I can pack pretty much anything I want. Back in 1982, and let me see if you could see it right through here, but it's actually in some really decent shape, as you can see. But yeah, I just put all my skincare in there, all the goodies, and it's still got the mirror. It's got all these fantastic compartments to put all my stuff in there. I don't know if you could see it, but but see, it's sturdy. I don't know if you could see that. But yeah, I had my initials that I put that there when I was like 15 years old. I used to use this when I was a professional dancer, like when I first started out, and you could see the Samsonite logo there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how I travel. Because I mean, I don't fly anywhere because most of the studios that I teach at are within driving distance, reasonable driving distance, like 3 hours, 2 hours. But rehearsal was great tonight. I always have to remember that I'm working with 15-year-olds or 16-year-olds, and they're just such troopers. They work so hard, and I just really enjoyed myself tonight. And I'm going to show you some footage of me goofing around and dancing because you guys asked for it. But I'm really loving the eyeshadow. The foundation is great. The blush, I mean, you can't go wrong. It's Dollar General. I mean, there's one in every neighborhood. You can throw a rock and hit a Dollar General. They're like popping up everywhere. So if you're ever in a pinch for makeup, like seriously, it's actually really good makeup. I wish I had picked up some lipstick, but like I said, a lot of the lipsticks look like they had been opened up, and ooh. I hope you enjoyed coming to Asheville with me and coming into the studio and watching the dancers. I really enjoyed my time here. It's fun traveling by yourself. It does get a little lonely, I have to admit. I spent many years on tour with ballet companies, and you just kind of fall back into that mindset. And I'm ready to go home to my husband and my daughter. So I hope you enjoyed this crazy vlog, kind of makeup tutorial and get ready with me. But yeah, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and I have so many great videos coming up. I can't wait to share them with you. So mahal kita. I love you. This girl's tired. This girl's sore. This old lady is sore. I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine. How about you? All right. Mahal kita. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And don't forget to check out the videos over here. Bye.